Hey guys, my name's Courtney Black and you are back with my 7-day gym workout plan, and today is legs. I know, some of you love doing legs, I love doing legs, but they can be really, really tough. They are obviously your biggest muscle group. But anyway, let's get into it. So squat down, drive up, squat down, let's get nice and warm. On the last one here, we're just gonna push our knees out. Let's get our hip flexors nice and warm. Good job. Please, if you do have any immobility in your hips, then please do a full hip mobility routine because you are gonna need that. Right, get your left leg up from the plank. You're gonna take it forwards. And all I want you to do is some rotations into that hip flexor there. It's gonna really open up your hip flexor, okay? So rotate into it. You're then gonna step that foot back again. I'm just gonna ignore the fact that my foot is on a weight plate. And we're gonna rotate. Good job, team. Whew. Stand up. Now we're just gonna do some hip swings. So hold onto a wall or whatever you've got. Swing your leg back and forwards. And then side to side. Again, this just really opens up your hips. And then side to side. Right, are you ready to get into the workout? We are doing 1 minute work, 30-second rest. It is gonna be intense. We've got weights to start off with, and then we're gonna do a little bit of HIIT. Same as before, I'm gonna show you, and then we're gonna get into it, okay? Because, look, I'm not gonna bore you explaining them all. I'm gonna do it as I show you, okay? So, one heavy dumbbell to start with. You're gonna hold the dumbbell underneath the top. We're gonna do a goblet squat. So you're gonna keep your chest nice and proud, elbows nice and high, and you're gonna squat down and drive up. 1 minute. Breathe out as you come up. Nice and wide. Good job. Nice work, team. Keep it going. We are going to work every single muscle in our legs today. Your legs are going to get shaky, yeah? So, here's what it is. Good job. Breathe out at the top. Come on, warriors, let's go. Think about that J-Lo bum. You got to work for it. If you want to see results, you've got to put the work in. Let's go. Hit those glutes. Whew. Going that little bit wider is going to hit your glutes more. If you go more narrow, you're going to be hitting your quads more, okay? Three, 2, and breathe. Good job. Get rid of that. Barbell for the next one, team. So we're going to be hinging at the hips. Someone is pulling you backwards, okay? Shoulder blades are rolling backwards and down. You're not going to drag your shoulder blades forwards. Shoulders aren't going to be to your ears, they're going to be down, okay? You're going to be using a barbell. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's do it, team. Hinge at the hips, and then come up. Keep a slight bend in your knees, yeah? And then up. Don't lock out at the top. You're really going to work your glutes and your hamstrings here. Pull back and drive up. Nice work. Pull back, drive up. You're only here for a minute. Only. Good job, team. All my advanced crew, don't forget you can make these workouts harder by doubling up or doing them 3 times. You can do 2-3 sets, yeah? All the way down, all the way up. But they're just hard enough on their own, trust me. I am sweating doing this. 20 seconds, nice and slow. It's not a race. It's not about getting super sweaty. It's not about going fast with your reps. It's about feeling the movement and actually making it work. So drop that barbell. We're now going to go into a dumbbell hip thrust. So over on your bench, drag it in a little bit. So you're gonna put the dumbbell on your hips, your back, your shoulder blades are gonna be on the bench, okay? Now, my trick when I'm doing these, you wanna only be moving from your rib cage down. That means you're not doing this, okay? You're literally keeping your hips up here, rib cage down. So you're hinging at the hips, and then you're driving and squeezing. We're here for 1 minute. Drive and squeeze. 1 whole minute here, team. So going down, and then scooping up. Down, scoop up, scoop, 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 scoop. Drive for your heel. Good job. Drive and scoop. Drive, scoop. Nice. Drive, scoop it up. Smashing this. Scoop. Who else's bum is on fire? We've got 15 seconds. Good job, team. Up. Up. 3, 2, 1. No more of them. Keep your bench. We're now going to be doing single leg Bulgarian split squats with a pulse. Remember in workout 1 how I showed you to get the setup done? We're going to do exactly the same thing, but we're going to add a pulse in. Obviously we're going to make it a little bit harder than day 1. Not going to give you the same exercise, am I? So remember the whole step down, sit up, and I'm not going to give you a breather in between the legs, okay? Whew. So sit down, leg goes out, other leg. Come up. You can also use the wall for stability if you need to, okay? If you're in a gym or if you're at home, wherever you are, wherever you're doing this, you can use anything that you need around you to stabilize you, yeah? Even if it's like a staircase, okay? Like a banister. Good job. Drive. Remember, escalator, not lift. "25 seconds, team." Woohoo, my bum cheek is alight. Good job. Up. Up. Good. Smashing it. 10 more seconds. And we're going straight into that other leg, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2. Straight away. Put that leg down. You're in the position. Other leg down. Back. Let's go. I am nasty. Good job. Pulse, drive. Ay, 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 ay. Pulse, drive. Pulse. Horrible. "25 seconds, team. Get your breath back. This is tough. Dig deep. 15 seconds, ready? 10 seconds. Woohoo! We haven't got to do them now. Next up, you would have done this loads of times before. Kettlebell swing. Now on a kettlebell swing, you do not bend your legs too much, okay? It is simply a hip hinge. So, hinge at the hips, push them forwards. Hinge at the hips, push them forwards. So it's gonna work your glutes more. Guys, I'm just gonna have a little bit of water. Make sure you're staying hydrated. We've got 10 seconds on the clock. Whew. Shake it off. You ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hinge forwards. Squeeze your bum. You should be feeling this in your bum cheeks, yeah? Not like this. Hinge forwards. Good job. Hinge forwards. Go a little bit wider if you want to. Nice work. 30 seconds left. I know it's a long time. Come on. Hinge. Really working them glutes. Good job. Up. 10, 9, come on team. 3, 2, good. Give that bum a little bit of a break, only for 30 seconds. So you're now gonna use your weight plate. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use that to stand on it. So we're gonna do deficit reverse lunges, okay? So then we're gonna drive our knee up as well. We're gonna alternate our legs. So you're gonna be standing on the weight plate, arms nice and engaged, core nice and engaged. You're gonna reverse lunge back, and as you come up, you're gonna drive that knee forwards, okay, team? So, 2 dumbbells, not 1. We're here for 1 minute, you ready? 3, 2, let's go. Big lunge back, drive the leg up, switch legs. Big lunge back, switch legs, good. Keep upright, team. Engage your core, nice work. The further back you go, and the more you drive in through your heel, the more you're gonna hit your glutes rather than your quads, yeah? So we really wanna target our hamstrings, the back of our legs. Good job. Engage your core, drive up. Nice. Up. Good job. 20 more seconds, not long. Let's go. 5, 3, 2. Whew. Next up, team. I'm just gonna move this out the way a little bit. It's one of my hardest sort of combination exercises. So we're gonna be in a nice wide stance here. You can have 1 dumbbell, or you can have 2 dumbbells, whatever you prefer, or you can have 1 dumbbell on your back, however you feel easier, yeah? We're gonna do lateral lunge, sumo squat, lateral lunge, okay? Pick that toe up for a little bit more range of motion, yeah? So I'm gonna batter myself and have 2 dumbbells on my shoulders because I can't do 1 when I just told you you can do 2. So lateral lunge, sumo, lateral lunge, good. Whoo! Good job, team. Sumo. Lateral. Sumo. Good. Don't forget, you're not repeating this unless you're part of my advanced crew. And then I am very sorry. Good, let's go. 25 seconds on the clock. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, let's go. 20 seconds. We've only got 2 weighted exercises left. Good. Ooh. 10 seconds. Good job. 3, 2, and breathe. 1 dumbbell for the next one. Listen to my cues because this one can be a little bit tricky, okay? So we're gonna do a combination of a swing and a squat, okay? So, not too much of a heavy dumbbell because your form might struggle on this. So 1 dumbbell here. So hinge at the hips, swing, hinge at the hips, squat. You got it? It's a little bit tough, but once you get the hang of it, trust me, it's not as scary as it seems. So 1 dumbbell, hinge, swing, hinge, squat. It is a burner though. Even though it might not be as complicated as it seems, it is as hard as it seems. Good, 1 minute. Good job, team. Up and down. Up. Nice work. Really drive them legs up and then get low into that squat. I don't just want to see anyone just bending their legs. I want to see you getting into the squat. Nice. Let's go. 20 seconds. Up. And breathe, good. Last exercise we're gonna do is gonna be on our bench. We've done it earlier, hip thrust, but we're gonna add 3 little mini pulses at the top. This is gonna batter our glutes, honestly. Whenever I had a pulse in a hip thrust, I instantly regret it and just think, why did I even bother? Because it is spiteful. Ready? So dumbbell, hips, a very sweaty bench from my back. But let's go, you ready? Hips up, remember, we're only moving rib cage down, yeah? So we're gonna go all the way down, up, 3, 2, squeeze it, and then come back down. Good, drive through your heels, 3, 2, 1. Drive through your heels, team, come on.
3, 2, 1. Tuck your chin. Nice, smashing it. Let's go. 25 seconds. J-Lo booties in the building. Thank me later. Good. 15 seconds. Right, we've got one more time for one more here, but I'm going to make it a little bit nasty. Hold it. Hold it. Hips up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew! You're not done. We've got a HIIT section. Again, it's super quick, okay? We're not here for long. We're literally doing 20 seconds on, 5 seconds off. It's a couple of exercises. Don't overthink it. You're gonna be doing it with me, yeah? We're gonna start off with jump squats, yeah? If you can't do anything jumping, please just do bodyweight squats, okay? So if you're low impact, bodyweight squat. 3, 2, let's go. Low impact. Yeah, come on. Come on, Colt, you've only got 5 seconds. And breathe. Jump lunges, reverse lunges if you're low impact. You ready? I'm not ready. 2, 1, let's go, 20 seconds. Imagine you're on a not on a tightrope, you're on train tracks, yeah? So you're gonna be unbalanced if you just try step back on a tightrope. 5, 4, and breathe. Whew. Next up, squat jump. At the top, click your heels together, okay? 3, 2, I am horrible. Let's go. Click, click. Let's do it. 3, 2, get me out of here. Skater lunges. This is a low impact exercise, so we're doing it all together. You ready? So, step down, reach up. Step down, reach up. Good, come on. Good. Up, up. Nice work, team. Three, 2, breathe. Reverse lunge or a forward kick, okay? Not okay. 3, 2, let's go. I'm trying not to kick my equipment. Boot, boot. Come on, team. 3, 2, switch legs, let's go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Well done, guys. My legs are shaky. Don't forget, if you're in advanced crew, you're doing that 2 or 3 times, yeah? Down into your pigeon pose. We've done this on day 1. Get a nice deep stretch here. Whew. Breathe it out. Come up. Back into that hamstring stretch that we done on day 1. So, sorry, I'm just working around my equipment. Straight leg. Nice work, team. Other side. Whew. These workouts are perfect to work for a little bit shy in the gym because, as you've seen, like, you really don't need a lot of space. I think a lot of people are intimidated to go to the gym because they think they need to go into the weight room and take up so much like equipment and space, but you don't, to get a good workout in. Other leg. Well done, team. Smashed it. And that is all of my workouts done. I hope you loved them all, and I'm so proud of you guys. See you next time.